Welcome guys, today I'm showing you how I wash some groceries. Usually I use this method for produce that have hard skins or are solid. Rinsing should be done thoroughly as soap shouldn't be consumed. Vinegar is used to disinfect groceries. It can also be used to clean the groceries purely without the soap bit, but that is my preference. In this case, use a small amount of vinegar. When using vinegar purely for cleaning your groceries, use 1 part of vinegar to 3 parts of water. Then finally, you can let your groceries air dry, or you can use a kitchen towel to dry them. And right here are the groceries well dried. I let them dry overnight, and here we go, ready to pack them and store them. Typically, the Ziploc bags are very handy when it comes to freezer storage, and the most important thing is to ensure you drive out air from the bags. Use a kitchen towel to wrap the bell peppers before putting them into the storage bag. This helps to absorb any moisture, thereby increasing the shelf life of the bell peppers. This way your groceries can last up to a month or even more slightly, except for the coriander. So for the coriander, change the water every 2 to 3 days. I have used this method and it has really worked perfectly. The coriander have lasted up to 3 weeks. And that's it for today, dear ones. Until we meet next time, let's keep safe. Bye.